Sensortronic Brake Control, SBC, the first standard brake-by-wire brake system developed for passenger cars by Mercedes-Benz. SBC allows for the first time highly dynamic and individual brake pressure control for each wheel. Superb directional stability and optimally short braking distances are the result. Following electronic control systems such as ABS, ASR, ESP and brake assist, SBC marks a further revolutionary stage in brake technology. Unlike previous brake systems, SBC dispenses with the mechanical hydraulic coupling of the pedal and brake. This allows precise braking for increased vehicle safety. The central control unit of SBC is an efficient component integrating the pump motor, the high-pressure reservoir, the hydraulic valves, the pressure sensors, and the SBC microcomputer. For optimal brake intervention, the SBC computer is also connected to the control unit of the Electronic Stability Program, ESP. The control unit uses various sensors to record the motion of the vehicle. The brake is activated by the pedal via the SBC actuating unit. This unit replaces the conventional brake unit. Sensors record the pedal travel. A hydraulic simulator provides the driver with the customary sensation of braking. The system also includes a tandem brake cylinder for the auxiliary brake. When the brake pedal is operated, the pedal travel and the pressure in the brake master cylinder are recorded by the SBC computer. The computer transmits the brake command to the ESP control unit. The control unit then determines the optimum brake pressure for each wheel. The result is reported again to the SBC computer. The computer uses hydraulic valves to regulate the brake pressure, formed with energy from the high-pressure reservoir. An electric pump generates the required pressure, which is monitored by a pressure sensor. During braking, brake fluid is pumped from the high-pressure reservoir towards the brakes. Pressure sensors measure the applied brake pressures, which are then regulated individually for each wheel by the hydraulic valves. SBC has three main advantages: a fast build-up of brake pressure, optimum brake power distribution, and the absence of any noticeable pedal back action with controlled ABS braking. In cases of emergency braking, SBC achieves distinctly shorter stopping distances. Unlike conventional brake systems, SBC can supply the desired pressure and the required volume to the brake calipers from the high-pressure reservoir in the shortest possible times for faster brake pressure build-up. The process is also supported by the brake assist, the new dry braking function, and by the pre-filling function. If the system detects wetness, the dry braking function increases brake performance by briefly dry braking the brake discs. If the driver abruptly releases the accelerator, the pre-filling function prepares the system for emergency stopping. The hydraulic lines are then pre-filled at a lower pressure. The brake linings are applied and the response time of the brakes is decreased. For SBC, the emergency situation is confirmed if the driver then suddenly operates the pedal. The brake assist is directly enabled and maximum braking efficiency attained. On the other hand, if the driver slowly operates the pedal, normal braking occurs. The higher dynamics also make SBC with ESP or ASR clearly superior to all other current systems. Fast, finely metered brake pulses allow a breakaway vehicle to be stabilized early and safely. A further advantage is offered by the variable brake power distribution. For example, braking whilst cornering. SBC provides a more stable braking characteristic with the best deceleration. That's a clear safety advantage over conventional systems. What's more, the driver no longer notices any brake pedal pulsation once he enters the ABS control range. This ensures that the driver uses the full potential of the brakes. Studies have shown that the ABS pulsation of conventional systems causes many drivers to not make full use of brake pedal travel. SBC keeps all wheels at the slip limit for achieving optimal braking distances regardless of road conditions. The new brake system from Mercedes-Benz, Sensortronic Brake Control, is a significant innovation for the automobiles of tomorrow. Electronic control units and their network communication will make driving in the future even safer.